Andre's Casting Couch, where we make good things happen. Just kidding. Anyways, welcome back to Andre's Motorsports. What we got going on is our project reveal. We are going to reveal the car. Let's get it. So we got a 1989 Nissan 240 SX. She's a gem. She's a real gem. As you can tell, 50 shades of red, black roof, no interior. Have to fix some of that wiring that the previous owners cut up. The nice cracked dash that every 240 basically has. And then, nice cosmetic problems here. About that. She's alright. But there's going to be a lot of projects coming with this. We're going to make some custom taillights, one-off. I have a big plan for that. Our multicolored bumper. And then if you come over here real quick, you can see that one of the main problems with this car. It's a nice rust hole. Common issue with rusting. Starting back here, but I think we can save this. Easy peasy. Nothing hard. There's a frame rod over there. Nothing hard. It's actually really simple after you take the rear subframe off. Then, as you can tell, there was no interior, both doors, crank windows, manual factory. We gotta fucking fix that stupid crap that the people bent down for the seat. We're gonna make it a full interior car. Try to give it a nice custom subwoofer box. Sorry about the snowmobile, don't mean to have that there. We're going to convert it to a 5-lug conversion like everybody else does. It just makes it so much easier. And put bigger calibers in the front, keep probably the stocks in the back. It has a pig nose front end. And then, as you can tell, nothing. We're gonna shove this bad boy, our LQ4 6.0 LS motor. I don't know what we're gonna really do to it right now. We're probably just gonna slap it in, get it running, because we have a bunch of odds and ends to fix on this car. For suspension wise, we have coilover blown out. We have a lot of rust to fix. Some wiring issues we gotta fix, and a little odds and ends. So we're just gonna try to get everything working properly so we can have this car running by spring cruise for Ocean City. It's gonna be the same color because I'm not gonna worry about paint. I'm just gonna probably paint that bottom piece on that side so it doesn't get rusty again. And then basically fix the interior. We should have a full interior by spring cruise. That's our main priority, is the motor, trans going in, get it up and running safely, stopping safely, and then basically get the interior all together. We have some of the interior pieces to go back in. Most of the plastics we have. We really just need our seats that we want for the front. We have to make a bracket for the back seat because the person I bought it from lost the bracket for the back seat. So, and then we just got to make, probably going to use a pallet for the trunk area so it's all smooth. Put a subwoofer box back there and the battery relocation. And as of right now, that's probably what's going to happen with that interior. But I'm indecisive. Things will probably change. It'll eventually get a body kit on it, but as of right now, it's just going to run the stock body on it. And then we're just going to grab swap parts for that. The front oil pan, front sump oil pan. Jesus, I can never say that. From like a GTO. And then I think we're going to replace the coilovers too, because I think they're blown out. And so there's a bunch of other stuff, little odds and ends. We should be having videos constantly for you guys, no problems. Should always be something. We're probably going to start with the welding of a lot of the rust because we also have rust up here that we're going to be fixing. Shouldn't take long to fix that. So, like I said, a lot of odds and ends. So, like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Thanks for watching.